Hey everyone, it's been a minute, hasn't it? I'm Tabria Majors and we're back, ready to find the next 10 creators that will represent IPSY in 2022. Here's a quick rundown of what's happened, what's about to happen, and what's at stake. All the juicy bits. Last month, so many of you auditioned to show us your best beauty hacks, and we narrowed it down to our top 20 fave creators. For the next 2 months, you'll see these 20 creators take part in 4 challenges. Certain creators will then move on to the next challenge based on criteria like creativity, skill, and social engagement, all in the first 24 hours after their videos are up. After our final challenge, we'll reveal the next 10 creators that will receive a 2022 contract with IPSY and a trip to IPSY's 10th anniversary event in New York in October. Here's the best part. One creator will also win a $30,000 bonus. Are you ready to meet your IPSY top 20? You've seen their faces, now it's time to introduce the first challenge, beauty hacks. We ask each creator to show us their best. What's a beauty hack? They're makeup routine shortcuts, inventive hair or nail how-tos, or helpful tips that make our lives easier and bring joy to our IG scrolls. So, over the next 2 weeks, keep an eye on IPSY's Instagram account for the creators' videos. Since each participant is being judged on social engagement, your likes, comments, and hashtags will help your faves. P.S. You'll be able to find their unique hashtags in the captions of their videos every single time they're posted. The participants moving forward into Challenge 2 will be announced on Monday, August 30th on IPSY's Instagram account @IPSY. Before I go, I want to extend a huge thank you to everyone in this amazing community that posted a video for a chance to become one of the next 10. We were absolutely blown away by how talented and beautiful the IPSY community is. We can't wait to begin this new chapter with all of you. See you in 2 weeks when it's time for Challenge 2. Until then, enjoy our favorite beauty hacks.